To install and run DocuSign CLI, you need to have Node and NPM installed. In a terminal, you install the CLI from NPM and then verify your installation. After installing, the first step is to create a structured workspace to store your assets. Navigate to the location where you want to add this directory structure, and then run the ds-scaffold command to create it. The command supports flags to name the workspace, name your project within the workspace, and specify subdirectories to create under the project. Next, you authenticate to your DocuSign account. The CLI opens your default web browser to the DocuSign login page for the specified environment. You then log in with your credentials and grant consent for the CLI. Finally, the command line tool acquires an access token and saves the credentials in your local configuration file.